Welcome back to Safelane USA. Today we're diving into the luxurious powerhouse that is the 2025 Bentley Continental GT Speed Ultimate. This isn't just another grand tourer, it's Bentley's boldest expression of performance, luxury, and craftsmanship, brought together in one ultimate edition. With refined design, top-tier materials, and jaw-dropping performance numbers, the GT Speed Ultimate blends brutal power with absolute elegance. Stepping inside the cabin, you're immediately surrounded by a level of opulence only Bentley can offer. The interior is handcrafted with precision, featuring the finest leather upholstery, diamond-quilted stitching, polished metal accents, and high-gloss wood veneer or optional carbon fiber finishes. The GT Speed Ultimate trim includes exclusive badging, special contrast, piping, and even a unique color palette that reflects its limited edition status. The seats are 20-way adjustable, heated, ventilated, and come with massage functions, making even long drives feel like first-class travel. The dashboard is a fusion of tradition and modernity, anchored by Bentley's rotating display that seamlessly flips between a 12.3-inch touchscreen, classic analog dials, or a clean veneer panel when not in use. Behind the steering wheel, a fully digital driver's display offers customizable views, performance data, and navigation. Every button, switch, and vent feels solid and intentional. Rear seat space is more than adequate for a grand tour, and the trunk offers enough room for weekend luggage, making the Continental GT Speed Ultimate surprisingly practical for a high-performance luxury coupe. On the exterior, the 2025 Continental GT Speed Ultimate is unmistakably Bentley large, confident, and immaculately styled. It retains the signature long hood and wide stance, with subtle changes that elevate its performance. Look, the front grille is finished in dark chrome, flanked by matrix LED headlights and larger air intakes for improved engine cooling. A more aggressive front splitter, side skirts, and a subtle rear diffuser in gloss black or carbon fiber add aerodynamic efficiency and a sportier character. Unique 22-inch wheels with a speed-specific design are paired with massive carbon brakes and red or black calipers. The rear end is defined by elliptical tailpipes and a gloss black spoiler lip, emphasizing both elegance and performance. Every angle of the GT Speed Ultimate screams power and prestige, while still maintaining the class and timelessness Bentley is known for. Under the hood, the 2025 Continental GT Speed Ultimate is powered by a 6.0-liter twin-turbocharged W12 engine, producing 650 horsepower and 664 pounds-ft of torque. Power is delivered through an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission and sent to all four wheels via Bentley's advanced all-wheel drive system. This grand tourer rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds, with a top speed of 208 miles per hour. Bentley's dynamic ride system and electronic limited slip differential ensure excellent grip and handling, whether cruising down the highway or tackling twisty back roads. Despite its massive power, the GT Speed Ultimate remains incredibly composed and refined. Adaptive air suspension smooths out imperfections, while the cabin stays whisper quiet thanks to extensive sound insulation. It's this combination of performance and serenity that defines the Bentley experience. Pricing for the 2025 Bentley Continental GT Speed Ultimate starts around $315,000, but with bespoke options and Mulliner personalization, many examples will easily surpass $400,000. It's not just a car, it's a statement of success and sophistication. Thanks for watching Safelane USA. If you love powerful luxury machines that blend craftsmanship with performance, the GT Speed Ultimate is one of the finest examples on the road today. Don't forget to like, subscribe,